Hi, this is Lakshmi Narayan Behra. So I am going to, show the product that I am currently using. So this is Fosi Audio ZP3 preamp, and this is the Fosi Audio ZD3. Okay, so this has got a remote control, and to connect both preamp and DAC, so I am using Fosi Audio XLR cable, male to female. And to connect with the speaker, I have a RCA to RCA cable, right? And this is the power cable for the ZD3, and here we have the power cable for the ZD3. So the speaker that I'm using is 85 MR4, which is an active speaker, right? And this is the right side speaker, and if you see, it has got RCA inputs, and the TRS input for the balanced output, right? And both the speakers are connected with the speaker Y, right? And there is a power curve attached to it, right? So now I'm going to use the uh, set up the both uh, ZD3 and ZP3, and then I'll show you how it works and what caused the issue, right? So let me start it. Okay, so let me connect the ZD3 with ZP3. Okay, so this is the XLR output and the cable that I'm going to insert it, and you see like this. Okay, so from XLR to the okay, so so this is going to be input, so input, right? So okay, so now my both of the devices are connected, right? Okay. So let me show you. For better arrangement, I can keep like this. Okay, right. So this is how it should look like. Okay. Now I will connect the trigger out to trigger in of the trigger out from the ZD3 to the ZP, the trigger in of the ZP3. Okay, and then we will, okay, so I forgot to connect the antenna. Okay, so you can connect the antenna to the ZD3. the DAC, right? So this is done, right? Now we will connect the RCA cable, right? The RCA output from the amplifier, preamplifier, that is ZP3. Okay, so I'm connecting the red cable to the red port and white cable to the white port. Then I will connect then I will okay so then I will connect the the red port of the speaker to the and white cable of the speaker to the RCA cable. Okay, so now this is connected. Okay, so let us turn it back. Okay, and right, so for your information, I have already using another pair of RCA to 3.5 mm jack, which is connected to my laptop. That is actually we will see after the setup how it works basically, right? So initially I thought that my speaker was not able to, and speaker got damaged, but fortunately it's not. So how I came to know, so I used this RCA to 3.5 mm jack, so it is working pretty well, right? So let's come back to the our setup. Okay, so let's power on this two device, right? So let me put this camera on the table, right? So yep, so let's connect the power cable of ZP3, and I am going to plug it. Okay, I plugged it. Then I will so this is now plugged in, and I'm going to plug the ZD3 power cable to the okay. So I'll show you how it is connected. Both of them are connected. So this is the adapter of um, um, the DAC, and this is the adapter of the um, preamplifier. Okay, so now I'm switching on, right? So if you see, okay, so I need to switch on this preamplifier. Okay, and then switch on this device. Okay, let me see what it does. Okay, it's not powering on. Wow. Okay, so if you see the power is on, and the mode is now Bluetooth. So if I take you near to this, you will able to see, right? The ZD3 mode is now Bluetooth, and the output mode is now XLR, so I'll change this to RCA. Okay, sorry, the input mode is XLR. Okay, so let me connect power on this edifier. Okay, and so this is enabled. Now I'll go to my another phone, and I will, I will connect. I will see where is my Bluetooth. Okay, so Fosi ZD3 is connected, as you see, right? So I will open Apple Music. Okay, and if you see here, the Fosi audio ZD3 is connected. Now I am going to play the music. Okay, so the volume is full, and you see the music is playing as you see, the time is ticking, right? So you see, so music is playing, but there is no audio from the speaker. Okay, there is no audio from the speaker, and the volume is at around 60, 70. It's quite max, and I am even increasing the volume from here, that also not giving anything, right? So that's how my setup is, and unfortunately there is no voice or audio coming out from the amp or preamp. Yeah. Okay, now let's see. I'm trying to use only the DAC, not the preamplifier. Okay, so let me do that. So for that, so I will first power off this speaker. The speaker is turned off. Then I will I will switch off the DAC. Okay, so this is switching off. Okay, and also the preamp is powered off. Now I will remove this XLR cable from here. Okay, and also the trigger in trigger cable from the output. So I will only use the DAC to my 85 speaker. So if you see, it has just the antenna power cable. Now I will take the RC cable out from here, from ZP3, and I will connect the output of the DAC. Okay, yeah, so this is done. Now we have only DAC is ready, and we have disconnected the ZP3 from our system, right? So let me power on. Okay, let me first switch on the speaker, then I'll power on the DAC, right? So the DAC is now connected. The mode is Bluetooth, hence it is connected to my mobile, right? So I am now going to play the music. So music is now being played as you see on my screen, right? But there is no volume, no audio coming out, right? Even if you see the knob of this speaker, it's at the maximum level. However, there is no audio from the speaker, right? Yep. Thank you.